to 45 minutes of runtime on single charge, with the recommended 56V 5.0 Ah ARC Lithium battery. 6 position cutting height adjustments, 1.5, 4, 3-in-1 function, mulching, bagging, side discharge. Quick and easy push-button start. 21. DAC. Power source type, battery powered. Weather-resistant construction, offering the torque of gas without the noise, mess, and fumes. The Ego Power Plus 21 Mower delivers long-lasting power, rapid charging, and durability in all weather conditions. With up to 45 minutes of cut time, this mower tackles even the toughest of mowing applications for all grass types. The easily adjustable deck height enables you to cut at any length. Thanks to a sleek and lightweight construction, moving and storing the lawn mower is hassle-free as it folds compact. The advanced Ego Power Plus 56-volt 5.0 Ah battery uses industry-leading ARC Lithium technology to deliver superior power, and is compatible with all Ego Power Plus products.